For each number given below, write expression for at least 2 different ways to obtain the number through button clicks. Think like Chitti and be creative. So Chitti is our calculator which has the following set of buttons. You have to make use of this to get the following numbers. Now 8300. So I can do the following. How? For everything I can go with 1, right? 8300 times. But that is too simple that you guys can make use of. So I don't want to keep doing that. That is not fair, right? Let me make something complicated. Let me use at least a combination of 2 or 3. So let's have a look. What can I do? I think I can use 1000, okay, and 110, right? I'll use all of that. Again, I'm just going with random buttons over here. 1000, I'll say click 5 times. So let me write what is happening over here. I'll get 5000. Then maybe I'll go with 10. I'm going to skip 100. I'll use 10. 10, I have to click how many times to get remaining numbers? Or let me click 10, 30 times. What will I get? If I click 10, 30 times, I'll get, yes, 300. Or let me use 100 also. What is remaining now? I have 8500. I need 3000 more. So what should I do? Should I click it 3 times? No, this too I should click, correct, 30 times. So what will I end up with? 3000. And this will give us 8300. Check if that is correct. Right, guys. So in this random manner, I would want you guys to do. There is a systematic way of doing this. There is a shorter way of doing this. If some of you will be thinking that this is a bit too stupid, now there's a much easier way to do it. You guys are right. There's a lot of easy way to do it. I'm just making it complicated so that we just have a chat. That's it. Now let me use numbers which I have not used. Let me use 10,000. No, I can't use because, well, 8,000 is less than 10,000. So I can't test that. I can use 1 and 10 and 100. Let me just use this. So let me use 100. So what should I do? 100 into what? 100 into, think about it. 3 times will give me 300. Right? Or should I do 30 times? That will give me what? 3000. Is it not? So let me go with that. Actually, I'll take 33. I'll take 33. What will this give us? 3300. Is it not? 3300. 3 would have given us 300. 33 will give us 3300. So 3300, what is remaining? How much will be remaining if I take away 3300? You can pause and think over. Yes, we'll be remaining with 5000. So I need 5000, say with 10. 10 into how will I get 5000? 500 times. Do you think so? 500. If I put it 10 times, I'll get 5000. Is it not? 500 plus 500 will give you 1000. 1000, 5 more times will give you 5000. And this is another possibility. Similarly, I would want you guys to try other question. So this is 40,629. Okay, so I'll go the easy way now. We have 40,000. 40,000, what can I do? I can use 10,000. How many times though? 4 times. That will give me 40,000. So what is remaining? 629. So I want 600. I'll take 100. No, let me take 10. Again, I want to make it a bit complicated. I know I could have gone with 100. I want to make it complicated. I'll take 620. How can I get 620 with 10? 10 into what will give me 620? 62. Is it not? 62 into 10 is 620. And then I'll use 1. Does it make sense? 1 into, correct, 9. Okay, second way of going about doing this is, let's not use 10,000, let's use 1,000. 1,000 into what? 1,000 into 40 times will give us 40,000, right? Or let us not even go, no, yeah, this is 600 now, so we can't use 1,000 for anything else. And then let us use 100. So what is left out? 600 is left out. So this will be, this has to be only 600. There's nothing else 100 can do. Then I'll just use 1 into what will give me remaining amount or remaining number, 29. So that will be 29. And that's your second way of going about doing it. 56, 3, 54. 56, 3, 54. Now, 56, 3, 54, what will help us over here? 56, 354. 50,000. How can I get 50,000? Have a look. I can easily go with 10,000, is it not? Into 50? No, 500, right? Let's go with, say, 100. I don't want to use 1,000. Again, I'm trying to keep it, I want to vary it so that you guys have thoda challenge. So with 100, what can I get? I can get 6,300. How to get 6,300? Or if not 6,300, how do I get that? This is 50,000, remember? I'm talking about 6,300. That will cover up the last from the left 3 digits. We just have left with 54. 63. And we have 54 left that I can get with either 10 or 1. I'll just go with 1. And 54. Right? Second way. Yes, come up with the second way. Let's use only 1,000. How do I get, what can I do with 1,000 over here? I can get 56,000. How? By multiplying with 56. Is that correct? Can I get 354 with 1,000? No, right? Because 354 is much lesser than 1,000. So no. So we'll use, say, 10. Using 10, what can I get? Can I get 350? Yes, I can get 350 by multiplying with 3 and 5. 35 basically. And finally, we have 4 that I should get only with 1. And that's another possibility. So there is an optimal possibility. There is a best possibility that we'll be seeing a lot later. $66,666. Yes, how do we go about doing this? It's similar to all of this. Can you guys pause, literally pause and do it, please? Because if not, it'll be just me talking and... Okay, I hope you guys did this. So we can use a similar pattern. So I can use 10,000 into what? Into 6, is it not? Plus, that will give us what? Correct, 60,000. Okay, plus next thing. What is left out? 6,666. Let me use 100 itself. I'm going with the same pattern as this. So with 100, I can solve what? I can get 660. Is this correct? I cannot get 60 out of 100. I can get 6,600 though. With what? 66 or 660. No, it is 66. Then we have 66 left, right? So 66 into 1 will give us 66, and that will be the answer. 1000 into what plus 10 into what plus 1 into what? Yeah, try doing this. 1000 into 66 will give us 66,000. 10 into what? What is remaining? Well, this hundreds are remaining. So basically 666 is remaining. So 666, the 6 has to come from 1. Or I can get 60 also, but let me go with 6. So 660 is left. 660 is left. How do we get that? 66. See, all of this multiplication and everything you guys have done already. It's just a matter of combining the previous knowledge with the present knowledge. We have 36, 78, 31, 13. 36, 78, 13, D, E. Okay. Again, we have 36, 78, 13. So 36 is, yeah. How do we get 36, 78, 13? Oh, sorry. It is, oh, okay. I was thinking of 36,000. It's 3,67,813. So if there is a lakh, what should we do? Let's use a lakh. Why not? Right? So a lakh into what will give us this particular number? 3, is it not? So this will cover 3 lakh plus. So next is, I'll use say 100. Let's not use a complicated number. Let's use just 100. So we are covered with 3 lakh. So what is left out? 67,813. So what can I cover with 100? I can cover 67800. 67800 is what I can cover. So what should I multiply here? 678, as simple as that. Into 100 will give us 2 zeros at the last, and it's here. That's it, as simple as that. And 13 is left. I can get 13 with 1. Next, I will use, say, I'll use 10,000. Let's not use 1 lakh anymore. I want to use 10,000. With 10,000, what can I cover? I can cover 3,60,000. How can I do that? By multiplying with 3,60,000 is what I can cover. Okay. 4 places. This I can't touch because all these are lesser. 7,000 is lesser than 10,000, so I can't touch that. So how do I get 36,000 though? Sorry, yeah, 3,60,000 though. By multiplying 36. Is that correct? And we have 7,813. So let me cover that with say 100. So I'm trying to cover 7,000. Yeah, what can I cover? 7,800. Can I cover this? Yes, I can. By multiplying with 78. And let me use 10 also here. Actually, I should have used another, some other number, not 100 though. But it's okay. Anyways. So 13 is left. So how do I get 13? 10 into 1 is 10. And 1 into 3. Okay, let me rewrite this. Oh yeah, it's correct actually. 10 into 1 and 1 into 3. Plus 3. So this will cover 137. Yeah, this will cover give us the answer. I think I have it all till E. Again, there are hundreds of ways of getting this. Actually, there are many possibilities. Right? So how to get it is left to you guys. There's no fixed rule for this question. So if you have some other answer, that's also okay, but they should add up to the given number. That's it. The agenda is get comfortable with this kind of thinking.